Hi, I'm Andy, founder and MD of CELLER8. Today, I'm going to show you through how to connect your mat to the CELLER8 controller. First, locate the cable that comes attached to your CELLER8 mat. In this example, for the full body mat, the cable is in the middle of the mat. Now, take the cable and plug it into the right-hand side port of your CELLER8 device. This is where your mat will connect. To begin using the mat, simply turn on your CELLER8 controller. Then, select your desired application. For the mat, you will choose Mat or Mat and Controller, depending on your preferences and needs. If the mat is not connected correctly, when you choose an application like Mat or Mat and Controller, a symbol will appear and a sounder will sound like this.